Electric conductors and insulators. Ever wondered why electricians wear rubber gloves or rubber slippers before fixing electrical devices? Well, at least the responsible ones do. Let's find out why they do it. We know that current can easily flow through certain materials like most of the metals. Such materials are called conductors. The materials through which current cannot flow are called insulators. But what renders a substance a conductor or an insulator? Firstly, consider a metallic substance like copper. It consists of several atoms, which are further made up of electrons revolving around their nuclei. The electron in the valence shell of the atom experiences less attraction from the nucleus. We can say that the electron is loosely bound within the atom and tends to escape from the atom to move freely in the conductor. The substance possesses a large amount of free electrons of the order of 10 to the power 29 electrons per meter cube. But their motion is random in any possible direction. Hence, there is no net flow of electrons and the substance remains electrically neutral. If a potential difference is applied across the ends of a substance, all the free electrons start drifting in a particular direction and constitute the flow of current. Thus, substances having a very large number of free electrons which can be drifted in a particular direction by the application of potential difference are called good conductors or simply conductors. Almost all the electrolytes, as well as the metals, are good conductors of electricity. This is the reason why all electrical wires at our homes are always made up of metals like copper or aluminium. Secondly, in the case of a substance like plastic, the molecular structure hardly contains any free electrons moving around. Hence, even after applying a potential difference, current cannot flow across the substance due to the absence of free electrons. Substances like glass too have a limited number of free electrons that are in the range of 10 to the power 10 electrons per meter cube. Even in applying a potential difference, these substances do not conduct electric current. Such substances are called bad conductors or insulators. These substances in which free electrons are either completely absent or extremely few in number do not allow the flow of current even after applying potential difference. Such substances are called insulators. The substances like air, rubber, glass, plastic, etc. are examples of insulators. The parts of a circuit which need to be insulated like wires and plugs use covers made up of plastic or rubber. Hence, we have seen that any substance can be considered as a good conductor because of the large number of free electrons it possesses, whereas the absence of free electrons makes it a bad conductor or an insulator. Between the extremes of good conductors and bad conductors, we have an important group called semiconductors. Let's summarize what we have learned. Substances having a very large number of free electrons which can be drifted in a particular direction by the application of potential difference are called good conductors. The substances in which free electrons are either completely absent or extremely few in number do not allow the flow of current even after applying potential difference are called bad conductors. Semiconductors lie between the good conductors and bad conductors. Benjamin Franklin once flew a kite in a storm to prove that a lightning strike was nothing but a fast electrical discharge. In other words, a rapid flow of charge. The devices that you use regularly also rely on this flow of charge. But what is this flow of charge called? To know about it, stay tuned.